ko soft drink. Kuha na gid ko.
Guys, pa-Almira na mi guys.
You want fries or nothing? You don't like
I
potatoes?
have some from Angela's Fries and then one piece from your aunt.
You don't like potatoes?
No. Not really.
Tagas na ilang kuan course. St. Jacob, Elmira.
It's a village.
So, daghang Mennonites diri guys. Kung imong napansin ganina sa akong mga video, yung mga Mennonites kato magsuot kay mga kinaraan. Urag na pa sila sa 18th century na belong. So, uy, pud na sila guys. Hindi daw na sila ginapa-eskwela sa ilang mga parents. Because dili sila gusto na maka-learn. Ana na sila. Pero kita ko ganyan nag-Mennonites din, nag-shades.
Oh, shade na.
Oo, nag-shades. Half na. So, tanawa guys, lapad kayo ilang farms. Pero kanina lugar, paduming Almira. Still.
All I know is that the best wood stoves in Canada are made here.
What? Woods?
Wood stoves.
Wood stoves, yeah.
The best ones are made here in Canada.
So the
Maple syrup. No, siguro yung maple?
Mennonites here,
Their
origins back to German and Dutch.
Oh,
Pennsylvania
okay.
Mennonites. Dutch-speaking Pennsylvania Mennonites immigrated in 1806.
1806.
So St. Jacobs and Elmira is the town.
It's their town, guys. It's a pizza, Limars.
Elmira.
Kana na flag ani guys, kanang nasa left. That's the flag of Ontario. Kanang red one na may British flag and seal of Ontario. Oh, di ay. Tamo lang murag tangke. No, murag putang tubig, region of Waterloo, Elmira. Muhang lugar man ang Elmira or Elmira. Guys, and the cornfields.
People got money, eh?
It's there.
The conservation area.
Grand River Conservation Authority.
Hello. So many people.
Hello guys, nami diri sa Elora Gorge. Sumao din yung gorge. Te, murag samaa. Sapa na to samaa lang.
Pero mas dako.
Dako lang ni.
Mas bakilid.
Mas lalom siya oh. So gorge din tawag nila ani guys.
Asa ta din.
Mo ni guys. Maraming nasa among samaa sa una. Deep Gorge. Kaya lang bahog tae sa butang fence kay lalum kay guys. Aw. Lalum kay siya. Diri mas Elora Gorge sa Elmira. Paningot gud si ate. Nilakaw. Oh. Kung kanaog da ita. Si ate oh. Here it is.
What's that place in the Philippines we went to was like this? Remember when swimming?
Dawis Bohol.
No, it was in Siargao.
Ay, Siargao.
Did you?
Guys, naipasulod oh.
I'll take pictures.
Lalom.
It's like the Tobermoor grotto. Darahil ang picture ni Carlo.
Sige.
Rock and dirt.
We're in the rock.
Turang bato, oh. Lakaw.
You see it?
Right here.
Nice.
The rock formation. It's like the Tobermory rock cave.
Oh. Oh, it's close. Grabe guys. Rock formation po do.
Walk across these are like this. There's holes when you go inside.
Yeah.
For a long way. I find it very hard on your back.
Oh wait.
Sila dito, nalabok. May tao dito sa tabok, Teo. May tao sa tabok.
Here.
Hi.
Where are you right now in the log?
Here at Almira,
In Elora Gorge.
Elora Gorge.
Man, that's a lot of rock, eh?
Yeah. Look at the trees, pine trees. Elora Gorge here in Almira. Pero na dyan nakasulod mga patan dito. Oh. Yun sa kanila pagsulod dito. Pagawas. So, wala na sila, namalik na sila.
Now they blast onto the rock, eh?
So, maano siya na rin, no? Sa Elora Gorge, Almira.
The river. The river is
Yung naglabing-labing. I don't know.
now also that it is a free festival. You can go down there.
Sapa. We are here at the trees. Sa Blair Witch Project. Walking in a winter wonderland. Pangkapoy. Nilakaw kayo ng busog sa A&W.
Katugon di kay ko.
Wow, nakuha sa ero eh. Nice, doggy. Ganda babae. Ah. Still in the woods. We can find our way back home. Where are we gonna go? What am I going to do?
These trees here,
Yeah?
this is what they make the cedar shingles from. For the roof,
Ah,
Ba, puto na siya sa deer.
they make
atik.
They make it from this.
Kanya,
Mhm.
kung makapaak sa inyo, mag-carry na siya. Busy.
Ah, so na yung mga kuto sa dire di ta kumpiyansa.
I had one on me for 4 days.
Careful guys, kaya naikuto sa mga mananap. Di maayo. So, we're still in the woods. Follow lang po sa ila. We're going to a bridge.
Yeah, it says there's a lookout here.
Indot ang bato nila dito. Oh.
Yun,
Wapo pagkakuan.
tara, ang lookout.
Oy. Saban to. Ah. Whoa. Yeah. Nice. Indeed. Tanawang rock formation, guys. Kita ninyo yung bato. Sapa diya sa ubos.
Now they're using the water running around the rocks there.
Nay wild ducks, oh.
Yeah, right
Yeah.
there.
Oh, wild ducks over there.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6. See him? Half in the water, half outside.
They're swimming. Morning.
Ganyan, Indo.
Yeah, yeah. Wow, nice.
Manawala namin diha.
Na yung mga wild pato. Yeah, nice ka siya. Grabe ka pa sa bato ay.
Mara, nag-selfie ang isa. Kalos nga ako man na. Ang galing.
Init kayo guys, pero nindot kayo. Oh,
Hello.
Muna guys. Nice. Ano siya? Laura Gorge. One of the best site. Morning ginadagana ni Pocahontas sa una. Ang forest. Sige kong selfie dito ba? Nana din mga naghulat. No? Now I remember. Ipol. Sa river sa Ipol. Tama, sa Marilog. Hindi ko. Sigog isip ganina pa. Saan man yung sapaan na nindot? Kaya familiar sa ko ang Ipol di ay. Ipol sa Marilog district. Hindi siya similar, pero at least may pagkakapantuan ba. Same sa Ipol to nag-hiking sa una. Bigay na ka ito. College pa ko ato. Nindot kayo.
They got a way to get
Hey, there's a bridge up there.
Plane goes to Montreal. We can try the 2-day provincial camp. You know?
Yeah.
And then we'll just go to the washroom. Or even if you don't have
Sanay.
electricity.
So, tao dito guys. Oh. May nangaligo. Oh, sila, nagstorya sila kasilyas. Kapoy na siya, paminaw.